Touch any of these.
I won't. I got it.
Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to test this. So let's see how this goes.
Something's wrong with the bird.
Yeah, so he's not flying because if I was this close, she might fly.
Move over so I can get the bird. There it is. It's a pretty bird. Got pretty colors.
I just touched it too.
I know.
Two fingers right here.
Just be careful. Be slow. Oops.
That was so close.
Kaylee.
See, it can't fly.
It can't. I think one of the hawks probably messed its wings up. She's been here since this morning when I came out at 7:30. Oh, Kaylee, don't drop her.
I didn't mean to. Did you see me holding it, guys?
Yes, I did.
So guys,
Don't hurt her.
here's the bird. I'm holding her very lightly. Her wings might be hurt. Her claws, look at that.
Yeah. Well, you got her close enough. Let them see. From a distance, it's better to see. Don't make her fall.
So here's the bird, guys. She's adorable. I want to keep her.
Well, you can. It's a wild animal, honey. She'll survive on her own. Put her down. Don't put her back there, then something will get her. All right.